All right, you guys, I'm about to show you step by step how I created this mock-up if you're trying to sell planners. Let's go. So it doesn't really matter what size you use for this one. You just want to have enough room where you can put your mock-up on this blank layout. So the first thing we're going to go to is elements. Y'all know I love elements, and we're going to type in frame. And then we're going to go to see all for the frames. And you're going to search for like a rectangular shape, the same shape as a planner. So this one right here is the one I would choose, and it pops up over there like that. Now we're going to go back to elements, and we're going to type in ring binder. And it's going to give you some images like this. And I normally like to go to graphics, and then you would just choose the one that you like for your mockup. So now that I have the one that I like, I'm going to make it the same size as our page. This is going to be the cover page. And then we're just going to align it with this and drag it up until we have a nice size. And then we're going to drag it on there, but you want to be careful not to drag it inside because it's going to go inside the frame. So you want to carefully just drag it like on the outside and adjust it so it looks a little bit realistic. So let me zoom in, and boom, we're going to leave it like that. So you want to make sure that you create you a planner cover. So I'm just going to go with this one. And then we're going to take this image and drag it inside of this frame. So let me show you how it works. So you're going to pick it up. Then you're going to just drop it in there. So you see how that works. And boom, it's inside of the planner. So now to make this a little bit more realistic, we're going to add a shadow to this. So we're going to go to elements. Type in shadow. Then you want to choose something that is similar to the shape of the planner. So we want something that's like rectangular that we can put around the perimeter. So something similar to this. So this is how the shadow look, but of course we're going to adjust this. So I want to have it to where it's on the left hand side in the bottom part as if it's laying on the table. So I'm just basically going to flip this image until it gets in that area, and then we're going to adjust it for that same size for the journal. So once we finish, it should come out looking like this, and it looks a little bit more realistic now. Now what you're going to do is group everything together. So I'm going to drag, you're going to drag this purple box, and then we're going to hit group. That way we don't lose anything while we're trying to move this. So typically what I like to do is add words on here. So I'm just going to move this around a bit. And let's say that you want to add some text on here. So we're going to put text, and you'll just choose whatever type of heading. And then you'll just type in some words to basically describe the type of planner you are trying to sell. So once you have the text on there, you can change the background color by simply clicking on the background, going to the color, and just playing around with it. So if you like this color, that color, or that color. And voila, this is how you create a mock-up. If you guys have any other tutorials that you want me to do, make sure you let me know down in the comments, and make sure to follow and save my posts.